Apple enthusiasts have long embraced a few undeniable realities. Each year, new iPhones are released consistently. The Pro models consistently receive the top features first, meaning if you purchase the standard iPhone, you may need to compromise. However, this trend might finally be changing, and the iPhone 17 could represent a significant turning point. A recent leak from prominent display analyst Ross Young indicates that Apple is planning a substantial update for the iPhone 17 series. This time, it's the standard model that's in the spotlight. One of the most thrilling speculations involves the potential addition of a 120Hz ProMotion display for the regular iPhone 17. If this proves accurate, it would signify a major transformation. For many years, Apple's high refresh rate screens were exclusive to Pro models, leaving the standard versions with outdated 60Hz displays. This leak implies that this situation could be changing. Additionally, Yum suggests that the standard iPhone 17 will feature a slightly larger 6.27-inch screen. This is a minor yet significant enhancement compared to the 6.1-inch display that has been used for years. With a new refresh rate and possibly support for an always-on display, this could greatly enhance the daily use experience for those selecting the regular model. The always-on display, in particular, is a subtle yet practical improvement. Being able to quickly check the time or your widgets without activating the phone is a small benefit that contributes to a more contemporary and lively device. This feature has been available on Android phones for years, and Apple only introduced it with the iPhone 14 Pro. It now appears that even users of the standard model might finally have the chance to experience it. If these anticipated changes come to fruition, they would indicate more than just a mere feature upgrade. They suggest a shift in Apple's overall approach to their products. By incorporating premium features into the basic model, Apple may be reacting to growing rivalry from brands that already provide 120Hz displays and high-quality builds at more affordable prices. It might also be a strategy to enhance the sales of the standard iPhone, which has begun to seem outdated in comparison to its more glamorous counterparts. Naturally, nothing will be verified until Apple reveals its plans next year. While these leaks are thrilling, they should still be viewed cautiously. Apple has altered its strategies in the past, and just because something is in internal testing doesn't guarantee it will appear in the final product. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.